Hi friends, in this video let's see a powerful function called pivot table in Excel. Pivot table is used to summarize the data for us without using a lot of calculations. Let's take a look at this customer sales data. We have invoice number, customer ID, gender, category, payment method, price, etc. as fields. Let's say we need to find the total sales with respect to each category based on gender. It will be very hard for us to do in a manual way using calculations and filters. This is where we can use pivot table function to ease our manual work. Let's go and take a look into it. To create a pivot table, first we need to go to insert and click on pivot table. Here we can also use external data source. External data source means data from another separate Excel. For this video, let's just use the data in our table. To select this, click here. We need to select this table, click Ctrl Shift left arrow and then down arrow and then expand this one. It's just asking we need to create the pivot table in a new worksheet or existing worksheet. And it will be clear if we do it in a new worksheet. I'm clicking it new worksheet and OK. That's it. The pivot table is created. Here we have the fields which we had in that table, and then below we have the filter, column, rows and values to summarize the data according to our need. To understand how this works, first I'll click the price field. This will display the sum of total price in our table. This doesn't give us much, so let's put the category in rows. This will tell us the sales on each category. The books are sold for $2 million, $2.5 million, and clothes are sold for $3 billion, etc. Our aim is to further see the split based on gender. Here we have the gender field. I am going to put this in the column. This will further split the table to female and male. Here we can see where the females spend their money the most and the males spend their money the most. Then finally, we will add the filter based on year. To add year as in filter, just click on invoice date. This will automatically split it into year and quarter. Now put the year in filter and remove the unwanted fields which were automatically created. That's it. We got our desired output. If we click on the 2021, okay, this will just give us the price which was sold on 2021. And similarly 2023, click on it, okay, and so on. These are just some basic activities in pivot function. To understand more, play around with this filter. Move around the columns, play more with this filter, column and values. You will become an expert in no time. Thank you.